Hi, this is Divya Prakash, and today we are going to see how the Moly assay can be done in Capintec dose calibrator. And also we'll see how the effect of volume with the same concentration changes the results of Moly assay. So first of all, we'll see what is Moly assay. So it is basically measurement of Moly 99 activity in technetium 99m generator eluate. Means how much Moly activity is there in the technetium 99m generator eluate, and it is done using dose calibrator with Moly 99 settings. We'll see how it can be done, and it confirms the Moly 99 labels that meets the safety limits. So it gives the basically Moly breakthrough, and it is unwanted Moly 99 which is found in the technetium 99m Eluate, and it indicates how much Moly 99 has leaked into the generator column, and the limit for this has been set as 0.15 microcurie per millicurie of technetium 99m. So we'll see how it can be done in a practical way. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
So first we'll take out this syringe holder. Put the cap intake canister, this Moly canister, and then we'll click here at Moly and select out of these three methods cap intake canister.
Yes, sir.
And we'll measure that amount. So once this is done, we'll take this out again, and inside this canister we have taken this radioactive material, technetium 99m. We'll keep in this Moly canister.
Yes, sir.
And then we will put it again back into this, and now we'll say accept. So it will start measuring what is there in the canister with Eluate. This we will accept here, and now we'll put technetium activity. Now we'll put technetium, this syringe, into this wire holder, and then say yes. So it will ask for the how much volume is there. So it's around 2.5 ml. So it is saying that test is getting filled. Moly too high, do not use. If it will pass, it will say it is passed. Stop. Now we'll say accept. It will ask for the volume, so we have taken 5 ml volume now. So test is passed now.
Yes.
So it is not getting too high. So it is less than 0.015 microgram. So this is how it will say if it doesn't pass and if it is passing.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.